In this section, we'll talk about table. As I mentioned in the previous section about AutoGrid, by default, one field on the form is displayed in one separate row. This behavior helps to ensure that the form is easy to read and easy to understand. We can change this behavior with two options, AutoGrid and Table. When we compare Table to AutoGrid, Table is more customizable as you can set at which exact position in the table will the field or component be. So let's set up our table. Here in the Tabs and Fields pane, under Component section, we have a table and we can drag and drop it on our tab. We can start by adding some fields. So now if we click at the table here, we see Table Editor section pop up in the properties. Here we can define how our table will look like. So by clicking plus and minus, we can add rows and columns. Here by defining the number of pixels, we can set the exact size of our row is the same here, or we can just add numbers like this, and our column 1 will be twice as size as column number 2. Let's delete this and leave it as it is by default and add our fields on the table. If we click on a name, we have positions in table under items in properties. And by clicking on any field, we can define at which position will it be. You can also put it through multiple positions, like now. So we will have the name through 1 and 2. Put phone number on position 3, email on position 4. As you can see, we have 6 fields and only 4 positions in table, so we had to add more. You can see at which exact position the field currently is. So website is not on any position. The grayed out areas are already taken. And if we click on a field which is already in the table, it's blue. So let's put website on position 5, currency on position 6, and primary contact 7 through 8. Let's save this and look in the application. Our info tab is collapsed, so we have to expand it. And now as you can see, we have the table exactly as we defined it. As mentioned previously, AutoGrid is great if you have large variety of devices and you want the tab to adapt to the size of your screen. So it will not be the same on every device. If you want to have the same tab on every device, you can go with Table. Because as you can see now, we can enlarge our form, make it smaller, and the tab with the table will always stay the same, while the AutoGrid tab is constantly changing. This is everything about Table. If you're interested in more information, check our wiki page.